square. From Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, AKA the Steel City, comes a blue-collar bot whose style is real gritty. It's a hard day's work when you face this team in a bout. You'll clock in at 9, but you might never clock out. Give it up for Franky! In the blue square, from the depths of hell comes this robot, a vicious machine. Its name conjures terror and induces violent screams. Ah! You think you'll survive against this deadly killer? Yeah, that'd be nice. It's banned in over 100 countries, including Canada, twice. Prepare for the certain doom against... is this a typo? That's really his name? Okay. Here is Dishwasher!
All right, drivers, listen for the countdown sound. All right, here we go, some of the final minutes. Big hit Franky comes out swinging, sending up to the sky, hearts flying everywhere, dishing out the pain, and that might be it. Getting counted out.
Fine drive.
And that's a tap out, I believe.
It's time for a new dishwasher. Give it up for Franky!